In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV in Power BI Desktop. If you've got data sitting in a comma-separated values file, and you're ready to bring it to life with visuals and analysis, this quick walkthrough is all you need. A CSV is simply a plain text file where each line represents a row and values are separated by commas, making it one of the most common formats for moving data between systems. Start in Power BI Desktop on the Home tab. The Home tab is where you'll find all the main controls you use most often, and the one we want is Get Data. Think of Get Data as the front door to your data sources. Click it to bring up the full list of connections Power BI supports. In the search box that appears, type CSV. This narrows the list so you don't have to scroll through everything else. You should see the CSV option right away, ready to connect to flat files saved on your computer or a network drive. Selecting CSV tells Power BI you're bringing in a structured text file where columns are separated by a delimiter, usually a comma. Go ahead and click CSV, and Power BI will open a file browser. From here, navigate through your folders to find the CSV you want to import. It helps to know the file's location ahead of time, and keeping data files in a dedicated project folder can save you time later. If your file name includes dates or versions, double-check you're picking the correct one. Also, make sure the file isn't currently open in another program to avoid any read issues. Once you've located your CSV, select it and proceed to import. Power BI will read the file and present a quick preview so you can confirm it looks right before it finishes bringing it in. You'll typically see the column headers at the top and a few rows of data underneath. Power BI usually detects the delimiter and data types automatically, so most of the time you won't have to change anything. If the columns look aligned and the text appears as expected, you're good to go. After the import completes, your data is added to the model and appears in the Fields pane, ready for charts, tables, and further analysis. That's all there is to it. You've successfully imported a CSV into Power BI Desktop and set the stage for building your report. Keep your original CSV organized, and if the file is updated in the future, you'll be able to work with the latest data without starting over.